Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
You are Brittany Davis?
Mm-hmm.
Please say yes or no.
Yes.
And Ms. Davis, this is your initial appearance in cause number 25, DCCR 1450. You're charged with the second-degree felony offense of assault on a peace officer from May 19th of 2025. Since you've made bond in your case, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer?
It's been worked out.
What's been worked out?
I had to reveal my details with you as far as how I'm going to proceed, because I don't know if I think I'm going to represent myself. Or I'm going to have my lawyer do it.
Okay, well, that's two very different things.
Yeah, I'm everywhere with it right now.
What?
I'm everywhere with it right now.
Are you?
This is already going sideways. Saying, I'll represent myself and I'll have a lawyer, in the same breath. That's not just confusion, that's a legal red flag, triangular flag. Judges need clarity immediately because your entire defense strategy depends on it. And here's the real question for you watching: if you were in her position, would you trust yourself to handle a felony case alone? Or is this the moment you lock in professional help?
So if I test you today, you can have anything in your system?
Of course.
Have a seat in the jury box. Yeah. Happy New Year. Ma'am, you need to not say a single word while you're sitting over there. It's just going to make things... Listen to me.
Why are you testing me?
Because I have that right to test anybody that walks into court, and I feel like with your behavior, I need to do that. So I need you to sit there. Your bond can be raised just for being disrespectful in court. So my suggestion is you don't say another word until we get the drug test, and then we'll see what we do from there. Ms. Davis, when's the last time you smoked marijuana?
Probably like 2 weeks ago.
Yeah?
I waiting to get my medicine.
What does smoking marijuana have to do with getting your medicine?
Well, I mean, I self-medicated myself because I don't have any medicine. So I was smoking to keep me like...
And there it is, the moment the entire case tone shifts. This isn't about morality, it's about bond compliance. When you're out on bond, the rules tighten, not loosen. Admitting drug use, even casually, gives the judge a reason to act immediately. Think about it, would you answer that question honestly, or ask for a lawyer first? Because every word here isn't just heard, it's recorded, remembered, and can come back later.
What medicine? What medicine do you need? What medicine? What medicine do you need? Where? What doctor are you going to? Where? What doctor are you going to? Spell it. Spell it. You don't know how to spell it?
No, I don't.
You don't know how to spell it?
No, I don't.
Where is he?
He's on Baptist.
He's at Baptist Hospital, or he's at Baptist Hospital, or
he's on the side. At the end. Like Dr. Kindergarten. He's not too like Dr. Kindergarten.
Okay.
He's not too far from Dr. Kindergarten. But he's a new doctor. I was going to Dr. Kindergarten. I was going to Dr. Kindergarten.
Okay. When's the last time you saw Dr. E? When's the last time you saw Dr. E?
I see Dr. N today
So here's what I'm going to do, Ms. Davis. So here's what I'm going to do, Miss Davis. Couple of things. One, I'm going to reset your case for 2 weeks. I'm going to reset your case for 2 weeks. Instead of 30 days. I'm going to order that you wear a drug patch. I'm going to order that you wear a drug patch. You have 24 hours to go get a drug patch. You have 24 hours to go get a drug patch. Your bondsman can tell you where to get Your bondsman can tell you where to get that. So between today and tomorrow, you got to have a drug patch on your arm. Every 2 weeks. Get them changed every 2 weeks. I'm going to assume that this first one is probably still going to be positive for marijuana. The drug patch gives me quantities. The drug patch gives me positive or negative. So it's just going to show me negative. So it's either going up or down, that it's either going up or down. If it's not going down, if it's not going down, the amount in your system every 2 weeks, then I'm going to assume you're still using. Then I'm going to assume you're still have your bond raised, and you're going to have your bond raised, and you'll be a warrant for your arrest, and you'll go back to jail. You understand? Sure. I just said you can ask me a question. I just said you can ask me a question.
What's the point of the drug test? About a minute, I told you I'm with it. It's like I told you I'm taking out medicine. I'm taking
So here's the thing.
So it's like in
So
theory.
here's the thing. Who have issues
There are many
that
people
don't
who
use
have
marijuana
issues
to,
that
don't use marijuana to.
This
A drug
is
patch
huge.
isn't just a
drug
test.
patch
It's
isn't just a
continuous
test.
surveillance.
It's continuous
It tracks
surveillance,
trends, not
it tracks
excuses.
trends,
Up,
not excuses.
down, or stagnant.
Up, down,
And the judge
or stagnant.
is making it crystal
and the
clear.
judge is making
This
it crystal
is her
clear.
last layer
this
of
is
grace
her last
before
layer
jail
of
becomes
grace.
automatic.
Before jail becomes
Self-medicate.
automatic.
So I'm ordering that you can't do that.
I'm ordering
And for
that
me
you
to be
can't do
comfortable
that.
with
And
you
for
being
me to
out
be
in the
comfortable
community,
with you being out in the community,
going to make that a condition of your
going
bond.
to make that a
It's
condition of your
violation
bond.
of the law.
It's a
to
violation of the
self-medicate with
law
marijuana.
to self-medicate
So that's
with
why I'm doing
marijuana.
it, because it's illegal.
So that's why I'm doing it,
And you
because
made
it's
that
illegal.
choice.
Okay.
And you made that
marijuana
choice
while you had a felony
to smoke
pending.
marijuana
Okay,
while you had a
so
felony
I
pending.
did. I'm not.
Okay,
I,
so
I don't have a. I'm not. I haven't been a prosecutor. I haven't been a.
you're being prosecuted right now.
You're being
You haven't been found
prosecuted
guilty,
right now.
but
You
you're
haven't
charged
been
with a
found
felony.
guilty, but you're charged
Right.
with
And
a
so you're
felony.
on a bond.
Right.
And so
Which
you're on a
means
bond.
a bond
which
is
means
for certain
a
things.
bond
It's to make
is
sure
for
that
certain
you show up
things.
to
It's
court.
to make sure
It's
that you
also
show
to
up
make
to
sure
court.
that you
It's also
and the
to make
community
sure
are
that
safe and
you
you're not
and the community
violating
are
the laws
safe
of
and
the
you're
state
not
of Texas.
violating the
Which
laws
you
of the
have
state of
done
Texas.
already while
Which
you're
you
on
have
bond.
done already while you're on
Typically, if
bond.
somebody violates the
Typically,
laws
if
while they're
somebody
on bond,
violates the laws
their
while
bond is
they're on
raised
bond,
immediately.
their bond
and they
is
go to
raised
jail.
immediately.
I'm not
and they go
doing
to
that
jail.
today.
I'm not doing
But
that
I am
today.
ordering that you have the drug
But
patch.
I am ordering that you have the
If
drug
I don't have
patch.
proof that you have the drug
If I don't
patch,
have proof that you
by
have the
tomorrow,
drug patch,
there will be a
by
warrant for your
tomorrow,
arrest. There will be a warrant for
if
your
I
arrest.
get a result from the drug
If I
patch,
get a result
again,
from
and
the
it's
drug
higher
patch,
or the
again,
same,
and
there
it's
will be a
higher
warrant
or the
for
same,
your
there will be a
arrest. You
warrant
cannot
for
use
your
any
arrest.
illegal
You cannot
substance.
use any
In
illegal
addition to that, a
substance.
condition of your
In
bond
addition
is
to
that you're
that,
not
a condition
allowed
of
to
your
use
bond is that
any
you're not allowed to
form,
use
legal
any
or
form
not, of
legal
THC.
or not
So
of
there's no
THC.
trying to go get
So
something
there's
that's
no
going to
trying to
still
go
test
get something
positive,
that's
but it's
still
legal
test
in Delta 8 or
positive,
9
but
or
it's
all the
legal
things
in
that
Delta 8 or
whatever's
9 or
out
all
there.
the
So you
things
can't
that
use anything
whatever's
that's
out
going to
there.
test
So you
positive
can't use
for it. You
anything that's
understand?
going to test positive for it. You understand?
Listen closely. This
Listen
is courtroom
closely.
reality.
This is courtroom
Bond
reality.
is a privilege,
Bond
not a right.
is a privilege,
She hasn't
not a
been
right.
convicted.
She
But
hasn't
is
been convicted.
charged.
But
And
she
that means
is charged.
rules apply
And that means
immediately.
rules apply
The judge
immediately.
is spelling it out in
The judge
plain
is
English.
This right here is the judge drawing a hard line. No loopholes, no technicalities, zero tolerance. Even legal alternatives like Delta 8. Doesn't matter. If it shows up, it's a violation. This is how judges control risk, clear rules, clear consequences. And now it all comes down to one thing, discipline. So let me ask you, do you think she's going to follow these conditions, or is this setting up an inevitable return to jail?
Spelling it out
One
in plain
violation,
English.
one
One
warrant,
violation,
no debate.
One warrant, no
You understand what I'm
debate.
saying? You understand what I'm saying? I need you to answer yes or no so it's on the record. I need you to answer yes or no so it's on the record. So,
Thank you.
in the meantime,
So,
also, you need to try
in the
to hire
meantime,
a lawyer.
also, you need to
And
try
so
to hire
your
a lawyer.
reset,
And
between
so
now
your
and 2
reset,
weeks, it's not
between
a very
now and
long
2
one,
weeks,
but I
it's
want to
not
make
a
sure
very long one, but I want to make sure
attempting to hire a lawyer.
If you get
Attempting to
someone
hire a
hired
lawyer
before the
If you
next
get
court
someone
date,
hired before
bring
the
the
next
reset
court date,
notice that you get
bring
today,
the reset notice that you get today
to that lawyer, and they'll
tell you what to do.
to that lawyer, and they'll tell you what to do.
If you're unable to hire a lawyer
If
before
you're
the next
unable to
court
hire a
date,
lawyer
then I'm
before the
ordering
next
you to
court
visit with
date,
at
then
least
I'm
3
ordering you to
lawyers.
visit with at
They all
least 3
charge
lawyers.
different amounts. They
They
all
all
charge
charge
different
plans.
amounts. You have different
Bring me
payment
back the
plans.
names of the lawyers you talked
Bring
to,
me
so I
back
know
the
you're
names of
trying,
the
and then we'll
lawyers you
discuss
talked
your
to, so I know you're
options.
trying, and then we'll
Also,
discuss
when you
your
come
options.
back, please bring me
Also, when you
proof
come back,
of your
please
visit
bring me
with
proof
your doctor
of
this
your
afternoon,
visit
okay?
with your doctor
So get
this
something
afternoon,
from your
okay?
doctor from
So get
today's
something
day
from your doctor
when you
from
come back,
today's
so that I know
day
that you're
when you
actually
come
going,
back, so
okay?
that I know that you're actually going,
It
okay?
depends on how much they're gonna charge. I don't have Medicaid. I don't have Medicaid.
But you have an appointment?
Yeah.
But
I
you
know
have an
that part, but
appointment?
I'm saying I don't have that part, but I'm
Okay.
saying I don't have what the charge is gonna be.
Okay.
I don't know what the charge is gonna be.
Perfect.
It's
That's
not-
fine. I understand that.
Perfect.
But just
That's
to get
fine. I understand
something
that.
that says you
But
were
just
there.
to get
Okay,
something
so
that
if it
says
doesn't
you
work
were
out,
there.
you can't see
Okay,
them.
so if it
There
doesn't
are
work
some
out,
other
you can't
places
see
you can
them.
go if you
There are
need
some other
something.
places you can go if you
To
need
get the
something.
help you need, if
To
you
get the
talk to your
help you need,
bondsman,
if you
want to
talk
to
your
court,
bondsman, if you
somebody
want to
can
talk
let you
after
know some other
court,
resources.
somebody can let
Okay?
you know some other
All right,
resources.
step in front of the
Okay?
clerk. She's going to give you your
All right,
reset
step in
notice.
front of the clerk. She's going to give you your reset notice.
Okay.